Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sixth Sister Always Miss Me, chapter 36. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Yulian and Wenjiao. Wenjiao, she was talking to hers. Truth, to be honest, I don't know. She was speaking to her mother. Her mother was willing to wait for her, and also to listen to her explanation. I can only be sure that this matter is not for me, but for Guan Sing. That night, I went over with a voice recorder. I want to test how much she knows about me in the past. Oh, it turns out it was happened that night. I found out that she found out about my adoptive parents and brought Zhang Haoxin out. Oh, is her real father? Well, maybe it is. Her mother said, this is my negligence. I took him back after you and we had an accident. Don't worry, he can't threaten you again. You. Okay, you can continue to talk about that night. Mother said to her. Well, it seems that her mother is really a cool person. She don't want any hindrance about the two daughters. After we finished eating, Guan Sing proposed to take me back. I didn't want to force her to jump over, but everything is fine at the beginning. Until the car that she was driving for a certain distance, I saw that Guan Sing is a little bit unusual. But at the time, there was too much traffic so she couldn't stop urgently and was forced to move on. Before she lost consciousness, she slammed into the sidewalk. I ate the same food as hers, and that night she wanted to eliminate me. I didn't need to be so complicated, and the dosage of the sleeping pill has a little effect on me and it's just right for her. Correct, before I went out on that day I chatted with her in the living room for a while and chatting for a while. I only put a piece of cube and Guan Sing put the 3 cubes. It seems that the persons behind her want to push her out to take the blame at the time of the incident, but no matter what's the result, she cannot let her fear. Well, it really makes sense, right? Right now, my mother has gone from nothing today. She has experienced far more than she has shown. Right now, she took a glass of water. I'm so naive, being protected in the greenhouse by everyone and my sister, who is afraid of bleeding. Well, definitely, she got really worried about them. Do you think I set off a bureau frame to the other party, or I think the other party is going to punish me? If you know the truth, you will feel our means is cruel and our alliance. I'm not going to eat with you tonight. Wenjiao remembers that night. She wanted to reject Guan Sing. The investor who made an appointment before has never responded and suddenly invited me to dinner tonight. Well then, you are busy. Although I really want to go back and eat quietly with Zhao Zhao. But now I can let Zhao Zhao's hard work in vain. Now, she's going on the meeting on the other party. Well, definitely, she need to get investors now so that the company will be safe. But, of course, the other party seems to be tricky. Hello, Miss Lee. Hello, Mr. Lee. I am Su Yulian of Shike. Excuse me. So it turns out she wants to introduce herself. Miss Su, please sit. The old lady is asking her. Miss Lee, right? But Yulian, when she sit up, it seems that she seems to be surprised. Of course, it was really the first investor who is going to invest on Sike. Hello, Yulian. Can you introduce yourself? My name is Liu Xi. Oh, it turns out, Yulian, this girl, it seems to be interested in hers. Does this person know me? Yulian said to herself. I have no impression at all. Now she seems to be worried. I also got confused. But this girl, it seems to be tricky. She moved closer to her. Honestly, right now, she was laughing. Yuxi, don't scare our president so. Oh, Miss Lee said to hers. Turns out this girl. She was really a tricky person. Well, let's see how to deal with this girl. Don't know what you like to eat, just order it and I don't mind. Yulian said to them, Mr. Lee is serious. Come, I toast with you. Well, now it seems that there's a little bit tension. Everything has been quiet and also busy on eating. So, Yulian, you still have to go beforehand. You and Yuxi continue to chat. Yulian said, okay. Now, she already sit on the opposite side, so she cannot be closer to Miss Lee. Also, she becomes smart on this. Well, let's see on what will happen. Miss Lee, tell me, what did you want when you are close to me? Miss Su is really smart. Miss Lee said to her, now let's see on what she wants. I heard that you know the customers lack of investments. I want to ask you to do me a little favor. I will convince my godmother to cooperate with you. So it turns out, how should I believe you? This is not suitable place to chat. Let's go. I will take you to the other places to visit. Well, it was clearly now that Miss Lee, she has something to do with hers. Right now, Yulian's face. She looks like she won't really believe in this. Well, she's so good. After a while, she already came back home. And it was Wen Zhao. She was sleeping on that time. She moved closer to her. The gums looks better. She was calling Zhao Zhao. Of course, Zhao Zhao, she seems to be resting. Her breathing is so weak. Is she still alive? And there's no meat on the face. One hair is okay. The ears, oh, everything. She has been noticed on. Suddenly, Wen Zhao, she was awakening. It really makes sense. Now, Yulian, she got really shy about this. Well, what is she going to explain on hers? Let's see on what will happen next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.